Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joao. So today we are going to learn Python Tkinter. So Python Tkinter is a library, okay, is a default library in Python which is used to create a GUI application in Python. I like to recommend people to start Python Tkinter after they learn Python basics because it's very good for you to put in practice everything that you have learned from Python basics. So if you are a beginner who just finished Python basic, okay, so your next stop or your next step is to learn Python Tkinter. Because here in Python Tkinter, you'll have a chance to put in practice everything that you learn from the basics of Python. So here you'll be creating now a lot of projects, okay, by creating user interface for those projects. Even those exercises that you did from Python basics, okay, you can put it in practice from here for Python Tkinter, because Tkinter is something very easy, okay, to learn it. Doesn't take too much time. And I can say even in one day, if you full dedicate, or maybe in 2 days, you can fully learn Tkinter. You can understand everything about Tkinter. So that's why I like to recommend people to learn Python Tkinter after they finish Python basic, so that they can have a chance to put everything in practice that they've been learning from the Python basics. So in this course, okay, we'll be creating some projects also along the course. So projects like a BM calculator, a simple calculator, a digital clock, a quiz app, to-do app, weather app, student registration system, book management system, and in the end, the last project can be personal budget app. So those projects will be good for you, okay, to put in practice everything that you have been learning from Python basics. Because see, many people, they used to get lost after they finish Python basics. So that's why by studying Python Tkinter, you can have a chance to put in practice everything that you have learned from the Python base. So for who is this course? So this course is for people who want to build desktop in Python, who want to put Python in practice, and for those who also want to improve their skills in Python by building projects. So here, okay, in this course, the main objective of this course is to learn how to build desktop application by using Python. But the really main objective, okay, is for you to put in practice everything that you've been learning from Python, okay, and also to improve your skills, which is something really good, okay. That's why I create this course, so that you can have a chance to improve your skills in Python by building some projects, some real projects, so that you can put your creativity, okay, you can put in practice, you can test how far you know Python. So without saying too much, okay, so in the next course we will start with Tkinter. We'll install Tkinter, then we'll see some basic things about Tkinter. Okay, so see you in the next video. My name is Joao, and like this video, subscribe in the channel, and see you.